Leading welding consultancy, standards implementation, and professional training. Hello and welcome to URGS International Engineering Services Pvt. Limited. In today's industrial environment, welding quality, compliance with international standards, and competent inspection practices are critical to safety, reliability, and business sustainability. In this video, we will introduce URGS International as a leading welding consultancy organization specializing in implementation of international welding standards and codes, welding quality assurance and compliance systems, professional training and preparatory courses across welding disciplines. About URGS International Engineering Services Pvt. Limited. URGS International is a professional engineering organization delivering specialized welding consultancy, technical services, and training solutions to industries worldwide. We support organizations in achieving compliance with international welding standards, improving welding process control and quality assurance, building internal technical competence through structured training. Our approach is technical, independent, and industry focused, ensuring measurable improvement in welding performance and compliance. Why welding standards and compliance matter? Welding is a special process where final quality cannot be fully verified by inspection alone. No compliance in welding can lead to structural Non-compliance in welding can lead to structural failures, safety incidents, costly rework and delays, regulatory non-conformance, reputational damage. International standards and codes provide a systematic framework to control welding quality, ensure consistency, and demonstrate compliance. Our expertise in welding standards and codes. URGS International has extensive experience in implementation and interpretation of major welding standards and codes, including ISO 3834 quality requirements for fusion welding, ISO 15614 and ISO 9606 welding procedure and welder qualification, ASME Section 9 welding and brazing qualifications, AWS D1.1 D1.5 D1.6 welding codes, EN welding standards, client specific and regulatory welding specifications. We help organizations translate standard requirements into practical, soft floor level implementation. Welding consultancy and implementation services. Our welding consultancy services include development and review of welding procedure specifications WPS, procedure qualification records PQR support, welder and welding operator qualification guidance, welding quality manuals and documentation, gap analysis against applicable welding standards, implementation of ISO 3834 systems, welding process audits and technical assessments. Our focus is always on practical implementation, not just documentation. Industry sectors we serve. URGS International supports a wide range of industries including oil and gas, power and energy, infrastructure and construction, heavy engineering, pressure vessels and boilers, piping and process industries, manufacturing and fabrication. Our consultancy adapts to industry specific codes, risk levels, and regulatory requirements. Professional welding and training programs. In addition to consultancy, URGS International is a recognized provider of professional welding, training, and preparatory programs. Our training portfolio includes C-Ship 3.0 and 3.1 preparatory classes, welding inspector and supervisor training, ASME Section 9 training, ISO 3834 implementation training, welding quality assurance and control, welding symbols, entity coordination and inspection practices, customized corporate welding training programs. All training programs are instructor-led, industry-oriented, exam-focused where applicable, delivered online and on-site. Why choose URGS International? Organizations choose URGS International because we offer strong technical depth in welding engineering, practical implementation expertise, international code and standard knowledge, experienced trainers and consultants, integrated consultancy and training approach, ethical, independent and professional services. We do not just teach standards, we help organizations apply them effectively. Value to organizations and professionals. By partnering with URGS International, organizations benefit from improved welding quality and consistency, reduced rework and failures, enhanced audit and client confidence, stronger compliance with international standards. Professionals benefit from improved technical competence, career advancement, global recognition of skills, contact information and closing. Thank you for watching. If your organization or you as a professional are looking for welding consultancy, implementation of international welding standards, professional welding training and preparatory courses, please contact URGS International Engineering Services Pvt Limited. Email info@urgseng.com. Mobile +91 7359458455. URGS International Engineering Services Pvt Limited, your trusted partner in welding consultancy, standards implementation and professional training. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more technical insights and professional training updates. Thank you.